Hi guys, this is Rahul and welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create smart campaigns for your Google Ads account. So first step for creating smart campaign is go to new campaigns, click on new campaigns, and here you don't need to choose objective because it's just only a way to derive you to write campaign type. So as I said, we are going to create a smart campaign. So we are going to click on this. I'll click on continue, and here you need to write down your business name. Let's say my business name is Gomahamaya, and then we need to click on next. Here you need to enter your website name. Click on next. Now Google will scan your website and learn more about your website. Now you have two versions, mobile or desktop. You can see how your website will look like on these two devices. And these will be your landing page. In case if you want to change your landing page, go back and choose any of your important product page or any of your page. Let's say I want to go for this particular page which says tools. I'll paste my link here and I'll say next. Now Google will scan that particular link and it will get redirected when the user clicks on your ad. So once that is done, scroll down and click on next. Now you have to tell Google what you want from this particular ad. You want lead, you want website sale or the leads, you want visit to your physical location, or you want YouTube engagement. So if you choose get calls, then Google will display your ads and they'll try to get you calls for their business. You choose any of these options, either get calls, more website sales or leads, get more website visits, physical location, get views or engagement on the YouTube. All the ads creation style is similar. So you don't need to worry about different ads, different videos for different call, for different sales goal. Let's say you might be searching for get calls, smart campaigns in the YouTube, get website sales or leads, get website visit, get more visit to the physical location. So you don't need to search. If you learn one, that means that is enough for creating all fours. And second number is like get website sale or the lead. Google will display the ads in such a way that you will get leads or the sales. Next option we have is more visit to a physical location. When people are searching for a website developer near me, let's assume we have dentist website, and the people when they say search the dentist near me, then Google will optimize their ads in such a way that they'll display the ads in that particular location, so you can get more physical visit to your locations. And next, get more engagement on YouTube videos if you want to promote through YouTube. So we want a call for our ads. Once that is done, click on next. Here you can see Google will automatically generate headlines, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, and then description 1, description 2, and you can add more description, you can add more headlines, and here you can write down your phone number. And in case if you don't like anything in this area, then you can optimize it. Let's say I want to remove India from here and I want to write SEO service in Delhi, professional SEO service, learn more about services. I'll remove, I'll say best digital marketing agency. So this is how you can optimize your headings, and here you can see the preview. In this area you can see the preview by clicking on this next, and Google will show all these versions to the user and they'll try to optimize in such a way that you'll get more clicks, and they'll prefer the title and the description combination if you'll give them multiple options of description and the heading. So they'll combine in such a way that you can get more calls. Now here I'm going to write down my number, that is 0000000000. This is my number, and I'll click on next. Google says it's not a valid number, so I need to write down my number. I'll blur the number. Once you enter your number, click on next, and here you need to write down the keywords themes. So go to keyword theme and write down your theme. Let's say you want to target for the SEO, you want to target for the digital marketing, you want to target for the dentist. So you need to write down the theme so Google can understand what all that theme is all about. So I'm going to write for digital marketing agency. If you'll select course is different than agency, and if the more the theme you will add, the better your ads perform. Let's say I want to go for only SEO services, then I'll choose SEO service, search engine optimization company. So I'll again type SEO, search engine optimization company. So you should write only relevant, don't go for anything wrong, or else your ad will be deviated from your path. Don't choose SEO tools, because tools is different than a service. You are currently going to offer a service, so don't choose that. Now we have language. Advertise in which language? English, French, and these languages you have. So you can select one of the language for your ads. Once that is done, click on next. Now you need to select the area where you want. So first option, they have selected my country India. I'll cancel this, and inside that first option we have to enter the address based on city or the state. You cannot go on the country label because they'll give you a 65-kilometer width range. So I always recommend people to choose based on the cities or the country. Let's say currently I'm in Gurgaon, so I'll type Gurgaon, and Gurgaon radius you can manage by going to this area, and you can go to map by clicking positive or negative. Click to learn more about the maps, how much area you should more target. Let's say you want to target in a specific zip code, cities or religion, so choose this one. And let's say I want to target Dubai, I'll select Dubai. I want to add more, so I'll go ahead with Sharjah. And I want to add more, let's say I want to add Ras Al Khaimah. If you want to add with the zip code, you can enter the zip code of your location which you want to target. Now enter the zip code here, and you'll see they'll show you a demo, like you can target these pin codes. You can add multiple pin code based on your recommendation. This will be almost nearby areas, and you can see those pin code by removing this Dubai, Sharjah and Ras Al Khaimah, and you can see what are the pin code you are targeting. Now you can also target based on the country and the state label. Once that is done, click on next. Now here you need to select your campaign budget. So Google says you need to spend daily average of 636 and the monthly average of 20,000 rupees, and approximately you'll get this much of click. And it's a recommendation that they are saying add a budget of 1500, approximately 1400, and you need to spend monthly this much to get you. I'll suggest you to start from the minimum budget campaign, and if you see it's working fine, go ahead with that. If not, please avoid it and go ahead with the manual campaigns instead of smart campaigns. You have one more option that you can enter your budget. Let's say I want to enter my budget as 500 rupees INR. Once that is done, click on next, and here you have option to review your campaign. In this area you can see your ads, how it's gonna looks like. Here you have option for title, what you need calls from the campaign. This will be a website visit. When the people they click on the website, they'll get redirected to this particular. If they click on the call button, they'll get a call. You'll get a call, right? Next option we have heading, description, phone number, pin codes where we are targeting, keywords, theme, and the budget. Once that is done, click on next. You can learn about Google Analytics in my other tutorial. That link I'm going to drop you inside the description box. Currently I'm going to click skip for now. Now your campaign is ready. Here you can see this is my campaign name, SEO services Nelly, and it's currently inactive. Google is giving some recommendation to create conversion tracking that I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. What the search term report keyword theme you will find here, you can edit. And in case if you want to add any ad text, images and landing page, you can edit from here. And for location, editing will be done from this area. Budget and scheduling can be maintained from this particular edit option. Once that is done, click on all campaign. Currently showing inactive because there is no billing address in my account. So make sure you have billing address. Go to setting, and billing payment, add the payment details and card details. Then Google will review your campaign and they'll optimize and they'll start delivering to the customers. And in case if you want to go back to your expert mode, go to setting and click on switch to expert mode, and now they'll give you a hint. You have to click on yes, switch to expert mode. Now you'll be get redirected to your expert mode ads campaign. And in case if you do not like the quality of the campaign, you're not getting proper result, go to this option and click on pause the campaign. In case if you're not getting a proper result from the smart campaigns, then please avoid and go with the manual campaigns. If you need my help anywhere in creating campaigns, you can connect on our website gomahamaya.com/contact us page. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.